Prepped it, scuffed it up. Used a little bit of adhesion promoter. Prime. Now paint. Yes, the electricity is out. I think someone hit a transformer. Heard a lot of police sirens. So I just figured I'd give you an update. I peeled off the decal and the name, the logo and the model, and now just getting everything prepped. As they say, scuff and shoot. So this side is almost there. This side I still need to do. And I think just about ready to shoot. A couple of spots I want to go over. But that's where I am. Primed, and I knocked it back with some 800. Sorry if you can't hear me very well. I've got a respirator on. Right, and then I have the centerpiece. All right, time to spray. just been sprayed. Now we wait. Doesn't look too bad. I mean, for a home garage paint job, I don't think it's bad. Could definitely be better. Oh yeah, I got a small piece of trash here. Well, I mean, going in I knew that it wasn't going to be perfect, so... Alright, let's tidy up and let these things sit. Finish is not desirable. Time to wet sand and polish. Not perfect, but definitely coming along nicely. Yeah, not perfect. I still have to keep going. This side I haven't touched yet.
Time for 1200 grit. So this is after one pass of 2000. I still have yet to do this side with 2000. You can definitely see the difference between the 800 and the 1200. .2000 grit sandpaper. Sorry, that was 1200 grit sandpaper, moving to 2000 down. So this is what it looks like at the moment. That is still 2000 grit sandpaper, and I'm now getting into the compounding, well, the cutting. but you can definitely see it's going to come up. So I've got to cut the whole trunk lid and then clean it and polish and seal. But yeah. Next clip should be when it's all finished. So I'm still cutting. So I've run out of daylight, but here she is. It's not perfect, but like Jeff, Home Built by Jeff says, it may not be perfect, but it's home built. So what I'm not finished with is these lights need a slight modification on the housing, to get them to clip in. So I won't put the interior in because I have to come back in here. But she's looking good. Looking good. I was considering polishing this thing, but no, it needs it. Thank you for watching Initial Speed. I'm tired, I'm Phil, and I'm out.